Paint Care is what we call the stewardship organization for the paint industry. We represent U.S. manufacturers of paint in implementing paint collection programs, paint take-back programs, paint education programs in states that have passed laws asking the paint industry to take on that responsibility. So we were formed in 2009. For the state of Oregon, they were actually the first state to pass what we call paint producer responsibility legislation. And essentially what that legislation was asking is for the paint industry to play a role in helping consumers, contractors know what to do with their leftover paint. Help set up a system to take that paint back, creating a recycling program, doing education to the public about buying the right amount, reusing it whenever possible. So established for the Oregon program. We've had that program in place now for 2 years. It's fantastic. It's very successful. We have 100 collection points where the public can bring in their paints for recycling. We take care of all of the transportation, disposal, getting into a recycler. And since then, both California and Connecticut have also passed legislation asking essentially for the same thing. The paint industry is amazing. They are behind it. They're proactive. They've gotten us to this point. They continue to shop the legislation around in other states so that we can grow this program, so that one day it'll be a national program. But for now, those are the 3 states. We begin implementation in California in the fall of this year, and Connecticut will begin in the spring of next year. And maybe a few other states will come on board this legislative year or next year.